Hello, I'm Mr. EAGLESTONE, and on this channel we test tools, DIY gear, and everyday equipment to see if they are really worth your money. Before we start, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Today we're taking a closer look at the Parkside 20-volt cordless compressor and air pump. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the main unit, which feels solid and well built, designed for both portability and everyday use. It's compact enough to keep in your car or workshop without taking too much space. You also get multiple accessories, including a needle for inflating balls, adapters for inflatable items like mattresses, and a hose for tire inflation. This makes it a true multi-purpose tool. The device features a digital display where you can set your desired pressure, and it supports multiple units like PSI, bar, and kilopascals. One of the best features is the automatic shutoff, meaning once it reaches your set pressure, it stops on its own. This tool is perfect for car tires, bike tires, balls, inflatable mattresses, and even beach equipment. Basically, it's a must-have if you want something versatile and cordless. And of course, it works with the Parkside 20-volt battery system, which makes it even more convenient if you already have other Parkside tools. But enough talking. Later in the video, we'll do a real test and see how it performs in real-life situations. Now, let's move on to the real test. We're going to inflate a ball, a beach air mattress, and finally a car tire to see how powerful and practical this tool really is. Before that, a quick look at the built-in LED light. This is actually very useful if you're working at night or in low light conditions, especially for emergencies on the road. Now let's start with inflating a ball. We're using the needle attachment that comes in the box. It connects easily, and within seconds, the ball is fully inflated. Simple and fast. Next, we move on to the beach air mattress. Using the proper adapter, the tool works as an air pump and fills the mattress quite quickly. This is super useful for summer, camping, or beach days. Now let's try the deflate function. The same mattress can be emptied just as easily, saving time and effort when packing everything back. Finally, the most important test, inflating a car tire. We connect the hose, set the desired pressure on the display, and start the compressor. You can hear it working steadily and the pressure builds up gradually. This is where the automatic shutoff really shines. Once it reaches the selected pressure, it stops automatically, so you don't have to worry about overinflating. Overall, this tool is extremely practical. It combines multiple functions in one compact device, making it perfect for everyday use, emergencies, and outdoor activities. If you already use Parkside tools, this is a great addition to your setup. And now I want to hear from you. Would you use this tool? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews, real tests, and DIY content. See you in the next video.